Hello, I'm Dr. Manonmani from Tumkur, Karnataka. I have been practicing laparoscopy and surgical gastroenterology for the last 10 years. Because robotics is the new thing which has come into our medical field, I thought I'll get a training in that from World Laparoscopy Hospital under Dr. Professor Mishra. This course really starts from the basics. It tells us about how the robotics function, the console, the surgeon part, the patient cart, and the vision cart. For a novice like me who has never seen a robot before, it was really helpful. I think I have got the confidence now that if given an opportunity, I can start doing robotic surgery. Yeah, thank you. The whole team is very helpful. We did a few procedures on the animal model. It was very helpful. Thanks.